Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Open Google Search Console and sign in with your Google account now. Add your property and choose domain or URL prefix verification. Use the domain option to cover all protocols and subdomains in one entry. Choose URL prefix for single protocol control and simpler verification. Verify ownership using DNS-TXT record, HTML upload file, or Google Analytics tracking tag. Wait up to 48 hours for DNS verification to propagate and the property to appear in your console. Use the URL inspection tool to fetch and analyze individual page status. Enter a URL, run live test, and review mobile and desktop rendering details. If a page is valid but not indexed, request indexing to prompt Google to recrawl. Request indexing after major content updates or when new pages go live. Monitor the coverage report to find errors, warnings, and total index pages across your property. Fix errors like 404, server errors, or blocked resources before requesting reindexing. Open the performance report to track clicks, impressions, CTR, and average position. Filter by query, page, country, and device to discover optimization opportunities. Export top queries and pages to prioritize SEO improvements and content updates. Submit sitemaps in the sitemaps section using sitemap, XML, or a sitemap index file. Use sitemaps to report up to 50,000 URLs per file or compressed files. Review enhancements like core web vitals, mobile usability, and structured data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.